student. Today I will continue December 2017 CSR Net Life Science Part B question number from question number 37. Okay, because in my previous video I already completed Part B to question number 21 to 36 and their solutions. Today right now I'll continue from 37 number question and their solutions and right answers only. So keep in mind this is all the right answers. Okay. So question number 37, flatworm having holoplastic spiral cleavage, frog having holoplastic displaced radial cleavage, birds having meroplastic discoidal cleavage, and insects having meroplastic superficial cleavage. Okay, so now I'm telling you subscribe my channel and like the videos if you like, and if you subscribe my channel you will get all the notifications when I upload my videos, new videos. Okay, so subscribe my channel. Question number 38, genes encoding islet 1 tbx4 and pitx are expressed in the presumptive hind limb. Okay, so in hind limb these genes are expressed. Now question number 39. So before that, islet 1, this is called developing ischempies, and pitx1 and tbx4, these are all expressed in hind limb. Okay, now question number 39, only stamen and carpel produced due to loss of class A gene activity. Okay, that is a gene, class A gene means epitala1 and epitala2. Okay, the question number 40, in sea urchin 16-celled embryo transplantation of micromeres from the vegetal pole of 16-cell sea urchin embryo to the animal pole of the host 16-cell sea urchin embryo. So what will happen? This is the question. If you take micromeres from the vegetal pole and you transplant it onto the animal pole, so what will happen? This is the question. So answer is, the transplanted micromeres to invaginate into the blastocell to create a new set of skeletogenic mesenchymal cells. Okay, this is the answer. Now question 41, dark grown seedlings that are etiolated. Okay, so etiolated dark grown seedlings having the long hypocotyls. Okay, these are the characteristics: long hypocotyls, closed cotyledons, that is the apical hook, and non photosynthetic proplastids. Okay, so these characters they are having where dark grown seedlings that are etiolated, these are having these characters. Okay, keep in mind these are all true answers. Then question of 42, the jasmonate pathway, jasmonate. Okay, where MIC2 on MIC2, this is this is the DNA, this is the DNA. Okay, this single strand, that is a double stranded DNA. Then on the DNA MIC2 is sitting. Okay, next on to that, if JAZ is sitting on MIC2, then it will replace the gene expression. It will replace the gene expression. Okay, if you add jasmonate from outside, or jasmonate, if you're providing jasmonate, then what will happen? Then jasmonate, it will combine with ILE and it will capture JZ. Okay, and that will be ubiquitinated. Okay, JZ will be ubiquitinated, and if you know that if JZ is ubiquitinated, MIC2 is free, then the gene will be expressed. Okay, and here what will happen? The JZ when it will become ubiquitinated, that will be degraded. Okay, by how? This protein, by this protein. This is a CUL1, then RBX, then ASK, and COL1. This total complex will degrade this one. Okay, this ubiquitinated JZ. So ultimately the gene expression will happen over here. Okay, that is a jasmonate derived gene expression will be over here. Okay, next I'm question number 43. Sorry, gibberellic acid, that is a gibberellic acid. Gibberellic acid is involved in stem elongation, parthenocarpy, malt production. Okay, so that means this gibberellic acid is involved in stem elongation, parthenocarpy, and malt production. Okay, these are the true answers. Then 44, Casparian stripes. Okay, what is the Casparian stripes? According to the role whatever. Okay, so what are the true answers? Radial cell walls of endodermis impregnated with lignin. This is a one correct answer. What is the Casparian stripes? So this is radial cell walls of endodermis impregnated with lignin. That is the Casparian stripes. Okay, next, it is formed, means this Casparian stripe is formed several millimeters and several centimeters behind the root tip. It is formed behind the root tip. Okay, next, Next is that Caspian stripes, it breaks the continuity of water movement through the apoplastic pathway. It is very important. So these three points is correct. These 3 points are correct points about the Caspian stripes. Okay. Next, coming to the question number 45. So next, coming to the question number 45. What is that? There is a iron transport. Question 45 is describing iron transport. Here you are seeing that this is a one cell, and here one cell. Outside there is a one protein, that is a DCYT1, DYCT1. Okay. This actually, this protein, this protein actually this protein channel actually converting Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus. Then Fe2 plus will be imported into the cell by DMT1, this channel protein. Okay. The inside the cell, when Fe2 plus is entering, then ferritin, this protein, actually this protein will conserve the Fe2 plus inside the cell. Okay. Ferritin. Then Fe2 plus will be coming out, and it will be transported through the ferroportin 1. Fe2 plus will be transported outside the cell by ferroportin 1. Then this Fe2 plus will be converted into the Fe3 plus by protein hepastine protein. Okay. Hepastine. This is total iron transport. Next, this then next, transferrin will transport this iron. Okay. Transferrin. Then here, transferrin work in plasma. This transparent protein actually transport ultimately the iron. Okay. So this transparent work in plasma, keep in your mind. Where the transparent work in plasma. Next, question 46. What is said? Question 46. What is said? Question 46 said, a body fluids, that is the endolymph, has high K plus than Na plus. Keep in your mind कि body fluids, that is the endolymph, has high K plus than Na plus. Okay. Sorry. Next, coming to high K plus in endolymph, there is a hair cells also. Endolymph of hair cells. Okay. Causes depolarization. Keep in your mind, this is a correct answer. This K plus present in endolymph of hair cells causes depolarization. Okay. Next, question of 47. Mammillary bodies, the part of the hypothalamus. Keep in your mind, mammillary body is part of the hypothalamus that give path to olfactory sense. Keep in your mind, these mammillary bodies give path to the olfactory sense. These all are correct answer. Okay? Keep in your mind. Next, question of 48. Reflex ovulation not happen in rats. Okay, keep in your mind. Reflex ovulation not happen in rats. Okay, but cat and mink and rabbits having reflex ovulation. Where cat, mink and rabbits having reflex ovulation. Okay. Next, I'm coming to the question number 49. Next, I'm coming to question of 49. Here F1 this, see that question number 49, that question of 49 ki A to B to if A gene is present, B gene is present, that will give red. Okay. Then see that see the question of 2017 part B 49 question number, and this is my calculation. Okay. This is my calculation. Okay. See that 2017 CSR Net Life Science part B question number 49. See the question, and this is my calculation. This is the answer. Okay. See that. Okay. Next, I'm coming to question number 50. That question number 50. See the question, that A and B having the 70 centimeter distance. Okay. 70 centimeter distance. Then what will happen if you cross this? If this is the A to B. Okay. A to B 70 centimeter, and if you cross this, the result will come like this, these proportions. I request you that all of you that see the question of calculations of genetics, see the question, and this is my calculations. Okay, this is my calculation. Try to remember that. Next, I'm coming to, sorry. Next, I'm coming to 51 number question, genetics, Drosophila, that is a Drosophila 37 degree if you give temperature 37 degree, then it will produce the cross-vinless phenotype, phenocopy, cross-vinless মানে cross-vinless expression. If cross-vinless and mutant known cross-vinless, if you cross, then it will produce normal. Means at 37 degree when temperature is coming, Drosophila producing cross-vinless. But when cross-vinless and mutant known cross-vinless, if you cross it, it will produce normal. That means it is indicating phenocopy. It is indicating, the answer is phenocopy. It is indicating phenocopy. Phenocopy means pseudo, means suppose that in a particular temperature or particular environment, and the normal producing the mutant phenotype. So this is the phenocopy. Okay, so answer is phenocopy. Means in particular temperature it's giving cross-vinless, at the normal temperature it's other temperature